going on? Our shop is live again. We have stickers, more Barry stickers, because we made about 50 of them the last time. We got beanies, all the stuff. To celebrate the launch of the shop, we're going to give away 2 nice hats and a whole stack of stickers for 2 lucky people. So comment and we'll get a YouTube random generator to pick a comment, and then we'll get Dougie or someone that hates doing it to pick a comment. So we'll just give away 2 giveaways. Nice hats, some stickers. Thanks everyone again for, you know, supporting the nonsense that's going on. Best of luck to whoever writes the stupidest comment. A lot of people are asking about Levins. This is a particularly delicious one. It's yellow and it has white wheels. No, so this is pretty cool. Today we're photographing this. So for anybody that doesn't have a fucking clue what this car is, this is the car that came 3 cars after the AE86. So this is an AE111 Levin. This engine is probably the reason why this car isn't as popular, because this engine gets ripped out and put into the AE86. By now you've probably seen that I've also gone to the dark side and stolen one of these engines. But this is the Blacktop 20 valve, which is a fairly popular conversion. They're a beautiful machine. A lot of them came into Ireland over the last, I'd say about 7 or 8 years. But we killed most of them because the engines are very, very desirable. Tom's kit, Tom's spoiler, Tom's everything. Look, who the fuck is Tom? That's a great question. Who is Tom? Toms is a factory supported racing team and tuner of Toyota and Lexus vehicles. So this kit's pretty rare because the bumper is a big chunk of fiberglass and it likes to explode. Let's introduce yourself. What is your name? My name is Chris. Tom's made this car. Basically they take like a standard Levin, and what they do then is they put all their stuff on it and they tune it, and you could buy that then as a package. It was kind of, they worked in partnership with Toyota, kind of like TRD. So they have their own wheels. These are the NAR, but they're like the old Igetta wheel with the twin 4-spoke. They're really fucking cool. It's nice you actually have the center cap. It's got the Tom spoiler, which is like an old DTM style spoiler. It's really nice. The back splats are pretty awesome. Look at that. Aggressive rear end. Because a lot of these came into Ireland, a lot of this stuff was just floating around like this incredibly rare, crazy fucking airbox setup. So it just looks like a random piece of plastic to the average person, but these are definitely fairly desirable parts. I'm sure a lot of people threw this stuff away because they're just like, what is that? So cool thing about these Levins is a lot of them came with these confetti Recaros from factory, and it has like the matching interior. You can kind of see it on the door card. Wait till you see this little mini catalog. This is the car that it's based off, the yellow flying fish. So like I said, this car was like a popular, like optional package from Tom's in Japan. So you could literally buy your AE111 and then get it kitted out with this full package, or you could buy the car. Priceless then of all the bits here on the back. Look at that. So you're slowly working your way through all this stuff. Holy shit, it looks like that. Whoa! So this is what is a Hyper Rev. The car is in this as well. Oh, Jesus Christ, I never noticed that. So it's also in here. Oh wait, look at that. There it is. There we go. There's Tom. Yeah, there's Tom himself. How are you, Tom? That's awesome. It's nice to be able to like make a car, you know, that's in a magazine from the past. Like, I mean, we all aspire to have something fucking really interesting from back in the day. But I definitely think you've nailed it with this. So I thought you might just appreciate this thing. It's pretty cool. Well, it is. It's very fucking cool. I was doing a photo shoot for the site. Hopefully I will somehow sync up where I could release the photo shoot and the vlog at the same time, so you could see like the proper photo article. Yeah, this is a rare little treat for Ireland, and it's cool that it just didn't come in from Japan like this. Because he actually built it himself and put it together to look like something out of Hyper Rev. It's a future classic, if not a classic already. Even though we scrap them for their engines, this is hopefully one that will live on. The T111 replica. The Juicebox. Just get closer. Yeah, it's all about this. Go closer. Oh, here comes the little Suzuki again, look.
Real! Look at that thing! He's had that day one as well.
Right, so the lads almost drove off with the Tom's plates, which would be fairly funny, because they probably wouldn't last long. The old cops would love this. These are the piston rings you fried. So reckless with the rings. We always use glass cleaner on all the pistons.
It eases the disassembly of the rings.
Yeah, it's a tech tip. It works. No way.
Top tip.
Top tip.
Now, it's a bit thinner now, it should be okay next.
Next to go back in.
The Native Americans took over.
They were that tight when we started.
Close. Pharaoh. Yeah. Yes.
Where are the boys? How are you going?
A wild Reuben appears. Oh shit! He's got company!
Well, what's in that joke?
Motherfuckers. I can wash the shit out of it.
This cunt is fucking late again. Barry said, don't park there, but you can park there.
I can move like.
Got her clean there. Last time it was ever clean like this. That was close, boy. So what's going on today?
We're just checking the hose.
Look at this. This is not gonna. Oh my god. Amen! Look at this setup. Are you going in the show and shine?
Yeah, I'm gonna park up, hard park it there now.
How'd you go, mate?
What if he What are you doing, mate?
Look, it looks good now, mate.
On again, popped off, it didn't actually melt.
Reubens.
just washing cars. Look what happens. Good. Up over there.
There are some smashers.
Okay, Barry's going for a spin.
I'm gonna try not to hit too much.
Are you getting on out there?
Oh, you're flying, man.
You're flying. Mossy's on it, buddy. We're very professional, lad.
We came up for a haircut in the car wash and now...
They just left us here.
Yeah, there's no more spaces in the pits.
So the boys have just left us here, so we're going to have a little look around them.
This is actually amazing, and it still has a fucking Queensland plate on. Check that. Look at these. These are 11J on the back with a 195. A 195 on an 11J minus. Did he say minus 40?
Yes, no one really 50 years.
Oh shit. Look at that. The doors. We'll put that.
See the embroidery on the door cards and everything.
Oh, you see you later.
Amen. Fire off, lads.
Having fun, DJ, mate. Having the best fucking day ever.
Have a great day, sir! Thank you for your service!
Yeah, and just a final note, I'm going to be posting the feature on the Levin that we just had in the vlog on our website this week, just so we can tie it in with the video. Every other week that we're not posting a vlog, we're posting articles on our website, or various features on cars, or stories from behind the vlogs. So if you want to do a bit of scrolling and a bit of reading, check out juiceboxforyou.com, and we'll be posting stuff on our Instagram and our Facebook too, so you can keep track of what we post. Check out the website. Do some reading, do some scrolling, and look at some pictures. A slower paced version of what goes on in the videos. See you in 2 weeks' time for another vlog. Great, goodbye!